Imagine the most tantalizing fair foods you've ever tasted. Now think about having them right in your kitchen, whenever you want. Intriguing, isn't it? Then, cogitate on what fair foods you'd want to see materialize in your kitchen. Now, brace yourself for a culinary journey through the world of fair foods, as we delve into the secrets of creating 10 of the most popular fair foods right at home. Our first gem is the classic corn dog. Start by mixing a cup of yellow cornmeal with a cup of all-purpose flour. Stir in 2 tablespoons of honey, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then, gradually add in 1 egg and 1 cup of milk. Skewer your hot dogs and dip them in the batter before frying them in hot oil until golden brown. Next in line, we have funnel cake. Combine 1½ cups of milk with 2 eggs. In a separate bowl, mix 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon each of salt and cinnamon. Merge the 2 mixtures, then pour the batter through a funnel into hot oil, swirling to create a circular pattern. Fry until golden, then dust with powdered sugar. Our third masterpiece is candy apples. Dissolve 2 cups of sugar in 1 cup of water over medium heat. Then stir in ½ cup of light corn syrup and a few drops of red food coloring. Dip your apples into the syrup, then place them on a baking sheet to cool. Satisfy your savory cravings with our 4th recipe, nachos. Melt 2 cups of cheddar cheese with 1 cup of cream over low heat. Pour the cheese sauce over a plate of tortilla chips, then top with jalapenos, olives, and any other desired toppings. Our 5th treat is the timeless cotton candy. Dissolve 1 cup of sugar in ½ cup of water over medium heat. Once the mixture reaches 320 degrees Fahrenheit, pour it into a cotton candy machine and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Next, we're crafting churros. Combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan and bring to a boil. Stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, then pipe the dough into hot oil and fry until golden. Roll the churros in sugar and cinnamon to finish. Our 7th delight is caramel popcorn. Melt 1 cup of butter, then stir in 2 cups of brown sugar, ½ cup of corn syrup, and a teaspoon of salt. Bring to a boil, then stir in ½ teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of vanilla. Pour the caramel over popped popcorn and bake at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes, stirring every 15 minutes. Next, we're making fried Oreos. Dip Oreos in pancake batter, then fry in hot oil until golden. Dust with powdered sugar for the perfect sweet finish. Our 9th recipe is for pretzels. Dissolve a packet of yeast in 1½ cups of warm water, then stir in a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Knead in 4 cups of all-purpose flour, then let the dough rise. Shape into pretzels, boil for 30 seconds in a baking soda solution, then bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit until golden. Finally, we're crafting elephant ears. Roll out a dough made from 1 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of shortening, and 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Fry the dough in hot oil, then dust with sugar and cinnamon. And there you have it, 10 classic fair foods made right in your kitchen. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!